Alright, hello once again, Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College, and as part of the Rankin Technical College AWD 1000 Web Development Technologies course, I've been creating a series of video presentations that are based on the Mozilla Developer Network Learn Web Development series. As you can see, we're in the server-side website development, Express Web Framework, Node.js, JavaScript, and we are running through their library tutorial. So far we have done the first half. So we have done the asynchronous flow control using async, the template primer, the local library base template, the home page, the book list page, and the book instance list page. So now it's time for date formatting using, like I said, I think I'm pronouncing it correctly, Luxon. So the default rendering of dates is very ugly. You get everything, including the time, etc. And in this section, it says, we'll show you how you can update the book instance list page, which again looks like that. There's the timing and etc. that's in there. To a more friendly format, so it looks like this. The approach we will use is to create a virtual property in our book instance model that returns the formatted date. We'll do this using Luxon, a powerful, modern, and friendly library. So let's right mouse click and open that up. And as you can see, it is in our Node package manager. So we will be doing an npm install of Luxon, my guess is, very quickly. There it is. All right. It is possible to use Luxon to format dates directly in our pug templates, or we could format the string in a number of other places. Using a virtual property allows us to get the formatted date in exactly the same way as we get the due date currently. This tutorial previously used Moment. We moved to Luxon because Moment has declared itself legacy. Luxon is one of Moment's project main recommendations for a great alternative library. So we're going to start by bringing this in. Now, we still have this running. All right. And you'll notice that it is restarting every time we're basically adding something here. All right. So here is after it crashed the last time, and here after we fixed it. All right. So what I'm going to do, though, is create a brand new instance inside of here of our terminal, and I'm going to put in that npm install Luxon. Just going to keep this one open in case I need it later for anything. Go into our package.json and verify that that has been added, and it has. So I can close our package.json file. Open our models book instance, and at the top of the page, add this. So our models book instance.js. All right, and at the top, we'll put it right at the top too. There it is. Add the virtual property just after the URL property. Just after the URL, so that's right there. So what have we got here? Another virtual property, a due back, date formatted, and we are formatting it in the way we want it to be formatted, in other words. Let's save that. Jump back into here. All right. Luxon can import strings in many formats and export to both predefined and free formats. In this case, we're using the from.js date to import the date string and the toLocale string to output in date medium format. So it looks like this. And you can go there if you want to see even other ones. So we want to open up the pug instance and replace the doback with doback formatted. So we want the views in our book instance. And it says we want in here, come on, replace the do back with a do back formatted. So let's look for that. Looks like it's this one right here. So that do back is replaced with a do back formatted. Okay. And it looks like it's showing even that we commented that one out and added that one. All right. Says that's it. If you go to the instances in the sidebar, you should now see all the due dates are far more attractive. So check out how that has changed. All right, looks a lot nicer. It's getting there. All right. So this was date formatting using Luxon. All right. In the next iteration here, we will do the author list page and the genre list page challenge. So it sounds like it may be asking us to add some code ourselves in here. Totally fine. Be back with that in just a couple minutes.